This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep's 8, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, awning, stovetop burner, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is 12,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.